Well, the weather's changing again, the leaves are falling, the rut is nearly here. That means the deers are gonna be out on the road with you. I'm gonna give you a couple things that I want you to pay attention to. From 6 to 9 p.m. is the time that deer are the most active, so make sure you're being careful during that out on the road, and look for the silhouette or the flashing eyes of them that you'll see the reflection. Try and use your high beams as much as possible because that vision is gonna help you seeing the object or colliding with it. And lastly, remember, don't swerve for the deer. That's how drivers put themselves in more accidents or in the ditch than if they would have just hit it. Sad to say, but it's the truth. Remember, don't veer for the deer.